everyone. Today I am going to do something different. So I want to make an activity tracker. I have this weekly task that I have planned for 2 months, and I wanted to make a tracker for me to be able to stick to my planned schedules. So I'll just wet this portion here with water, and I want a blue to be my dominant color for this painting. Okay, so by the way, I would just like to mention that this session is all about watercolor and doodle art. So I will just be filling this page with different colors in random shapes, and we'll see how this is going to turn out. So I have not actually planned the final look of this project. I will just go with the flow, and let's see how this will look later on. Okay, so we'll just have fun painting this piece here. Okay, let me just add some burnt sepia here. I think blue and a bit of brown is a nice combination. Maybe just add more sepia. I want this a little vibrant. Okay, so I will be drawing some doodles here after the paint has dried to make it more interesting, and of course we will make our 2-month calendar template. So we will add that later on and see where we will be placing them. Okay, now what? Okay, so I'm just putting on random paint just to fill up the spaces. Okay, and a bit of green here. Oops. More paint, please. Okay, there. Okay, and maybe let me add some lines, thick lines, so to fill up this space here. Okay, so let me do some zigzags there. So I'm just painting in random, whatever pops into my mind right now. Just being crazy, I guess. One more here. Wait. Maybe let's add a few more lines. Like that. And what else? A blob. Okay, so this looks like a what? A human cell? I don't know. Does it look like a spaceship? An asteroid from space? Whatever. I don't know. Maybe one more blob. Where will I place the blob? Here. Okay, so maybe a few more lines. I want some more lines. Let's do it. So you see, I'm just going with the flow. I see something, I feel something missing, so I just put some more paint or colors. Okay, and here. If you feel that you still need to add more color, just feel free to do it. Okay, and let's sprinkle some paint. So I'm sprinkling some white paint, though I don't know if this will make any difference, but it's just fun doing. Okay, so maybe let's add a bit of purple also. Okay, there. Okay, there. So I think I'm good with this. So let's leave this to dry and then I'll add the doodles. Okay, so the painting has dried. So time to get crazy with the doodles. By the way, be sure that your paper is completely dry before you start drawing. Sometimes the ink has a tendency to bleed in with the paint of your paper if your paint is still wet. So we don't want that. So I started with this leaf or leaves. When doodling, just draw whatever comes into your mind. What is fun with doodling is that you can create any weird drawings that you like, or draw just about anything. No rules in doodling, just have fun with it. Okay. I'm playing with lines and curves. So with this leaf, I'm just filling it with lines and maybe shading some part of it. Like that. And of course, patterns. So I'm drawing these curved lines because I want to make some patterns. Patterns are also nice to include. I like drawing patterns just to fill up some spaces. There. I'm doing thick lines, thin lines, a bit of thin line over here. Okay, so let me just mention I have already drawn the lines for the calendar here with a pencil and here. So I have 2 months. Okay, so let's continue with the doodle and I'll work on the calendar after I'm done with the doodles. Maybe let's put some swirly thing here. Like a vortex. Shall I shade this? Now let's put dots. Okay. So doodling can sometimes take a lot of time to finish, but I think it's okay as long as you are having fun with it. You know, sometimes there is not enough doodles and you just want to add more. There are a lot of things that you can doodle about, maybe plants, mountains, planets, anything. Weird shapes even. So just let your creativity out. It is a good exercise for the brain also. And sometimes if you have run out of ideas to draw and you still see some spaces that you want to fill out, you can always write some words or phrases, maybe some favorite quotes or lines of a song or poems. It's all up to you, just go with the flow. You can use different types of pen if you wish. Now I'm using a micron pen, brush pen, and a Sharpie for that large leaf over there. And I also like to add whites to my doodles. I am using an acrylic paint to highlight some areas because my white pen is not doing the job well. It's too light and the white doesn't stand out, so I opted to use acrylic paint instead. If you have any suggestions for a good white pen to use, please comment below. I would like to hear from you. And here I am dotting this leaf with my all reliable correction ink. I like the ball tip of this. It gives me these nice dots. It's easier for me to make small dots using this one rather than the brush and the acrylic paint. See? Just dot away the white ink. Okay, so it's time to line our calendar. And of course, write the dates. Okay, so I am doing March and April for this page. Okay, now the calendar is complete. I will now turn this into a tracker. So I have here some washi tapes or paper tapes. I will use these to mark the dates of my planned activities. So let's choose some color. What color should we use? Okay. And of course, down here below I have the legend. So I'll just place a tape like that and label it. Okay, so here I have completed marking my dates with the tape. So I ended up using these yellow and pink tapes there for my schedules. So here's the legend, and the schedules are all marked up with tape. So all I have to do now is just mark the tape with my Sharpie or pen or whatever you want to use to indicate a completed task, and leave the dates unmarked if I have not yet done with what I was supposed to do. Okay, so now I have a 2-month activity tracker that I can use. Please do try this out and tell me all about it in the comments below. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more fun painting. Thank you for watching. Bye!